Does your fence look old, weathered, and just plain sad? Don't replace it, restore it. In just a few simple steps, you can make your fence look brand new without spending a fortune. Let's jump in. First, let's get rid of all that dirt, mold, and grime. Use a pressure washer or a simple soap and scrub brush. Trust me, this alone makes a huge difference. Next, check for splinters, rough spots, or cracks. A quick sanding smooths things out, and if you spot small damage, use wood filler. Your fence will feel brand new already. Now for the real transformation. Apply a fresh coat of stain or paint. Staining enhances the natural look, while paint gives it a bold new style. Either way, your fence will thank you. Finally, don't forget a protective sealant. This keeps moisture and UV damage away, so your fence stays looking fresh for years to come. And there you have it, a brand new fence without the high cost of replacement. Need professional help with your fencing project? Visit canfenceinc.com or call us at 781-767-3596 for expert service. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home improvement tips. See you in the next one.